Hello and welcome back to another WordPress tutorial. Today in this video you will learn how to easily transfer your WordPress website from one hosting to another hosting and absolutely for free. Now, being working on WordPress website since 2019, I have used many plugins for transferring the website. I also have used the manual transfer method in cPanel or FTP, but I have discovered a new plugin which is very reliable and easy to use. You just need to put some inputs and this will do the rest of the work for you. So let's see how we can transfer this website to another hosting. So basically this is a subdomain which is hosting on the Hostinger, and we will transfer this website to this domain which is hosting on GoDaddy. Make sure you check the domain names as you can see. So let's go to the dashboard, and here we will have to install a new free plugin. So just go to plugins and click add new, and here search for Migrate Guru. And you will see this plugin, Migrate Guru Migrate Clone WordPress free. So just install this plugin and activate this. Once you activate the plugin, this will take you to its dashboard. Now here you can put your email, click I agree, and you can click on the button. So let me write my email, and I'll click on I agree and we'll click on migrate site. And here you will see a list of the hosting providers. As you can see, Bluehost, HostGator, GoDaddy, and so on. So if you want to transfer your website to Bluehost, you can select this, you can select any of these. And in case you don't have the login for the hosting, for example you are working for a client and you only have the cPanel login, then you can choose this one. You can also choose FTP if you have the FTP login. So this is completely dependent on you. So let me show you the cPanel method which you can use for any type of hosting, and any type of hosting have the cPanel. So if you have the cPanel login, just select this, and here you need a few things, which is the destination URL, your IP address, your username and password. So all of these can be found inside the cPanel. So just log into your cPanel. You can copy your website URL, your IP address, your username and password. So let me quickly fill up these details. I'll go to my cPanel. So this is the cPanel where you can see your domain name, which is your URL, your IP address, and you already have login for the cPanel. So let's copy one by one. This is the URL, this is the IP address, and I'll write my username and password, and then just simply click on migrate, and this will start validating the details, and once it validates the details, this will start migrating the website. And here as you can see, it starts the migration. So this is the URL from which we are transferring our website to this, and this is the status. So once all of these completed, then our website will be ready. You can always cancel the migration, but you don't need this because we are transferring the website. So let's wait for this. And once it completed, you will get a message like this, which means that you have successfully transferred your website. So how easy this was. Now let's check the website. So this is the old website, and this will be replaced with this website as we have transferred this to this domain. So let me just refresh this. And now you can see the website has changed, and we have successfully transferred this website to this one. Okay, so this is how you can transfer your WordPress website easily from one hosting to another hosting. And in case your domain is pointing to another hosting, then you can just change the DNS record, and that's it. So hope the video will help you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.